The future of web development, Google I/O 2025's Web AI revolution with Gemini Nano and Firebase.
Imagine a world where web apps think and respond like humans, instantly. At Google I/O 2025, that dream became reality with Gemini Nano and Firebase. These groundbreaking tools let you create smarter, faster web experiences with ease. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a team, this guide is your key to harnessing this tech. Ready to elevate your web projects? Let's dive in. Gemini Nano runs lightweight AI directly in your browser, while Hybrid AI combines on-device and cloud capabilities for optimal performance. With Firebase integration, managing AI workflows is seamless and efficient. Explore the future of web development with real-time multimodal AI that enhances user experience and boosts performance. Join the Gemini Nano early preview today and start building the next generation of web apps. Like, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you never miss more awesome content.